Okay, so this is slow motion on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I have my camera set up already. Over here is where you can choose between HD or 720p. And also over here, 240 is the highest setting. And then if you go press it again, 120 is the slowest setting. So now I'm gonna go into slow motion. So I'm gonna hit record. We'll stop that. And that was on HD and 120, so the slowest setting. So I'm gonna hit record. Now if I go into 720p, actually I'm gonna stick to HD, but I'm gonna go on 240, which is the highest setting now. So HD 240. So nice slow motion there. Okay, so I've done all the settings on HD. So I've done the highest setting and I've done the lowest setting. I'm now gonna go over to 720p and I'm gonna do the same thing again. So this is 240, the highest setting. So let's test out that slow motion. There we go. So this is 720p, 240, so the highest setting slow motion. You can hear when so you can hear very loudly when all the coins are connecting together. You can hear very loud sounds there. Now 720. Okay, so on 720p, you can actually only do 240, which is the highest setting. You can't go down to 120 like you can on HD. But on HD, if you're gonna record slow-mo in HD, you can use both 240 and 120. So that's it, thanks for watching.